Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to change the alarm sound on the AGM H6. So first open settings, scroll down from the top and down again, and then press this button here to open settings. In settings we're looking for sound and vibration, and in here scroll down again. We're looking for default alarm sound right here. Here you can choose from a variety of pre-installed sounds or add a custom one here. Let's choose one at random. I like how platinum sounds. Sounds just alright. So just like that you change your alarm sound. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.